This video is concerned with Euler's disc. So this is a concave mirror and a paperweight, and what we're going to do is spin it on the concave mirror, which will keep it central, and as the spin diminishes and it starts to lean over, the edge of the disc that's touching the mirror will precess, it will move round at high speed, and it demonstrates conservation of angular momentum. So if we spin it up, now you can buy Euler's disc, but it's 80 or 90 pounds, so this is a cheaper DIY alternative. Now as it collapses, it starts to precess faster and faster. It gives quite a high pitched note. It goes on for quite a long time. And that's it finished. So this is a 600 gram weight and a 10-inch shaving mirror.